Hello, Abe Safa here with Century 21 Harrelson Group in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And today I'm going to give you a market update. But today I've got all good news. I've actually got five good things happening right now in the Myrtle Beach real estate market. So let's start with the first one. Interest rates are working their way down. As a matter of fact, as of yesterday, we're down to 6.28% on the 30-year national average. Now, of course, each person is going to be different based on their credit score. Each state is going to be different, but overall, national average is down to 6.28%. That's the lowest number we've had in almost a year now. And the positive thing is next week, the Federal Reserve chairman is meeting with the Federal Reserve, and we're hoping to see a rate cut on the Fed, probably a quarter point. I'm hoping for 50 basis points, but we're not sure. But I think that mortgage rate of 6.28 has already factored that in. So we may not see a drop after that, but the whole idea of him actually being less hawkish right now and actually starting to reduce rate could drive the rates even lower. But we're definitely going to continue to see that trend going lower and lower going into next year. So we're very excited about that. And right off the bat, we're already seeing an instant reaction in the market. We're seeing more mortgage applications. We're seeing more buyers on our showings, more offers coming in. So definitely a positive note. I've been saying this for a few months now. The worst is behind this, I think, when it comes to the real estate market, unless something drastic happens with the economy. So number one is interest rates are down to 6.28%. Number two, condo inventory. I can finally say something positive. The month supply of inventory is down to 8.5 months. Now, that's still a very high number, too high for my comfort, but it peaked back in May at 8.9, and it's been going down since then. It went to 8.8, 8.7, and now it's down to 8.5. It's still up a little bit from last year, okay, but still at least we're trending in the right direction. It's not continuing to increase like it's been for the last 3.5 years. So positive note there. Condo pendings, which is a good leading indicator to kind of let us know what's going to happen next 30 to 45 days. Condo pendings were up 12% in August compared to last year. Another positive note. So all of that from the interest rates starting to drop a little bit. So we're seeing more activity happening. Number four, single family home inventory is also down. The month supply of down to 5.1 month supply of inventory. So nowhere near as bad as condos, 5.1. Um, Historically speaking, that's a seller's market, but it surely doesn't feel like a seller's market right now. It feels more like a buyer's market because there's more options out there for buyers than there has been for the last 4.5 years. But stuff is starting to pick up. So housing inventory month supply peaked again back in May at 5.4, and that's been declining every single month since then. So again, positive note there on the single family home side. And then pendings as well on a single family home. Point number five, positive today. Pendings are up 15% in single family homes. So everything looks like it's trending in the right direction. Inventory going down, pendings going up, interest rates going down. So everything is leading in the right direction. If you're looking to buy or if you're looking to sell or want to talk, give me a call. I'm going to post my number up here and my email address. You're going to reach this. This will reach me directly. This is my personal cell phone. Anything you want to talk about, if you're curious about what your home is worth, whether you're selling or not selling condo, just give me a call. We'd love to talk to you. But very excited that we're finally looks like we're heading in the right direction when it comes to housing in the Myrtle Beach market.